Right, good late morning. We're through the lunch hour. SPY was in a very tight range today. Really, only about 6.5, 7 points. 78.50 was our low intraday market. High of about 85.50. So let's call it 7 points. About a 0.5% wide range on the SPYs. Nasdaq not much wider. 24.75 down to let's call it 0.02. So about 1%. Not bad. There's been some nice trades offered on the Nasdaq with Apple moving up and down. Apple spiked to 619 and then fell all the way back down here to 602. As we come into earnings, by the way, next Tuesday. Real quick, why do we look at oil again? Oil is wide. Today the high of 104.60 ish, 104.56. And a low so far of 102.56 or $2, which parlays almost into a near 2% wide range. And this is why we trade oil. Oil on the IB today broke down after the crude number. Wednesdays always at 7:30 here on the West Coast. The crude number comes out. And that came out right in this C time frame, and we were kind of hanging around here. We bounced a little bit, but again, with the profile here, yesterday's point of control right around 104.40. We really couldn't get much beyond that, and there was a lot of selling and a lot of buying in this level, up to about 104.80 yesterday. And once we couldn't break that, we were looking on the D session here. We were looking for a break of about 103.90. And when we broke that this morning, we went very quickly. You see the E time frame here, and very quickly went from 103.90 down to 102.88. We were looking to cover right around 103 again on the June contract. We did that in the EF period, and we're out. The market has gone a little bit lower, but my move always on this type of trade is to kind of have a target, and the target for me was looking at the point of control from 2 days ago, which was right around this 102, putting it on the close there at 102.90, and we traded to that. Again, we're sitting at 102.80 right now, been as low as 102.50. That's the outlier. Again, 102.20 on the double distribution Monday is possible still today, but not being greedy, we were just looking for that quick 80 cents to $1, and we got it pretty quickly. So that's it. 103.90 down to 103. The trade happened. Again, why do we trade oil? Because of the spread, the volatility, the movement. The markets are very good. They're liquid. We're about to close on the open hours on oil. It will continue to trade, but closing up here at 11:30 again. So again, very nice trading. Yesterday there was really nothing after a large gap up, and you can see in the bounce that set up today's trade nicely. So knowing the context where you came from in a trade helps you where you're going, at least putting risk parameters on a trade. For us, any break of 103 today puts your stop up here probably around 104 break. Put your stop up there around 104.80. If we traded above 104.80, the trade was wrong. So risking about 0.8%, which is not significant when, again, the CL is moving over 2% in a day lately. So that is why crude is attractive. Again, the trades happen quickly. The markets are liquid. And while the ES continues to grind in a 0.5% range and the volatility is muted today, we're playing in the markets where there is opportunity. So that's it. We'll see you on the other side. Have a great trading day, and see you over on the other side.